Hey, this is Jerry Levinson of Carpets of Arizona, and today, this video, we're going to show you how to measure for carpet for your home. First of all, let me point out carpet comes 12 feet wide. A lot of times customers come in with their measurements and they're usually off by about 20% because they don't consider the width of the carpet. Let me show you the first thing as an example. So let's say you have a room that's 10 feet by 10 feet. In this case, you're going to need 10 feet 6 inches by 12 feet of carpet. Okay, the carpet's going to come 12 feet wide. We need an extra few inches on each side for cuts and for stretching to do a proper job. So you would need a total of 126 square feet to cover this room. That's really only 100 square feet in total width. All right, and then the next thing I want to show you is if we have a room that's over 12 feet by 12 feet. This room's 15 feet by 14 feet. In this scenario, we're going to do 3 seams. Now, ROC standards, we can't do any more than the 3 seams. In this case, we're going to need a piece of carpet 19 foot 6 inches by 12 foot to do this with 3 seams. That's the least amount we can do, 235 square feet. Now, we prefer to only do it with 1 seam to eliminate these. The best case scenario is when you have multiple rooms to do, because then we can use the additional carpet in closets. You can use it for making area rugs. So in this case, we would need 28 foot 6 inches by 12 feet. The other thing is if you have a pattern carpet, you can only do 1 seam. You can't make a horizontal seam on a pattern carpet. So in that case, we would need 343 feet to do this job properly. And all of our installations come with a lifetime guarantee, so we got to do it right. We also do a free and home measure for you. So you can measure yourself and get an idea of what you're looking for, but we offer that free and home measure so we can give you a guaranteed accurate quote. Okay, we look forward to talking to you. Give us a call and we'll schedule that measure for you today.